Guys! Happy Easter! It's April 1 midnight na guys. Yes, it's madaling araw na at ngayon ko lang gagawin yung Easter bags nila kasi kanina yung mga bata nanood sila ng 2 movies. Late na sila nagtulog. So, make sure talaga na tulog na sila para hindi nila makita yung ginagawa ko. So, ayan si Holly, tulog na siya. Dito pala kami sa kwarto ni Holly kasi nagka-catch up ako sa teleserye ng TFC kasi matagal din ako hindi nakapanood. So, anyway, gagawin natin to. Etong mga Easter bags, mga recycles na to guys. Ayan, hindi na ako bumili kasi mukhang bago pa naman siya. I think 2 years ago ko to nabili or last year. Tsaka eto, bigay to ng sister-in-law ko sa kanila. Maaga yung Easter bags nila kasi umalis yung tita nila. Nag long weekend somewhere. So, dito natin ilalagay yung mga pajamas na nabili natin sa Big W. At saka eto din, recycle na rin to. Last year din to nila ginamit. Dito nila nilagay yung mga Easter eggs na nahanap nila. So, mamaya ilalagay ko to sa tabi ng bed nila para ready na mamaya. Kasi eto din, recycle din to. I think 2 years ago ko rin to nabili. So, ilalagay ko rin yung ibang eggs dito. And eto yung mga nabili nating mga chocolates. Nakita nyo na to sa vlog kasi in-upload ko na yun. Nung nag-shopping kami ni Holly. At saka eto pa yung isang bag na chocolate. Yung iba dito guys, ibibigay namin sa anak ng friends namin. And eto, excited akong idikit ito sa floor kasi dito nila ititrace kung nasan yung mga Easter eggs. And then, kanina si Jan, tsaka yung mga bata, naglagay sila ng milk, biscuit, tsaka carrot sa table para kay Bunny raw mamaya. So, yun. Ang hindi ko lang mahanap is yung yung Easter Bunny na headband ni Holly na ginamit niya last year. Kaya hindi na ako bumili kasi alam ko nandito yun pero hindi ko siya mahanap. So, siguro mag-unicorn na lang siyang headband. So, yeah. Let's do it, guys. I'm so excited for them mamaya.
Let's go, let's go, let's roll, let's roll.
Ayan yung mga eggs na i-hunt nila for later. Ayan yung mga Easter bags nila. Ayan si Holly, gumalaw siya kanina at saka eto nang gagawin ko. Ididikit ko na siya sa floor. Tara. Nadikit ko na yung mga footprints, guys. Ilalagay natin itong baskets sa may pintuan. Yung prepare ng mga bata kanina tsaka ni Jan. Ayan yung carrots and biscuit and milk. So yeah. Ready na for later, guys. Thank you. See you later.
Let's go, let's go, let's roll, let's roll.
Good morning, guys. Time check is 6 o'clock and ididikit ko na tong footprint dito sa hallway na to and itatago na natin to mga Easter bags nila at saka yung mga Easter eggs para i-hunt nila mamaya. Tulog pa sila. So, let's do it. Yung ibang Easter eggs. Ika-cluttered ko siya somewhere. So, itago lang natin ito dito. Ayan. Natin ito yung ano. Puti. Naglagay ako dito kung saan sila nagpa-practice mag-golf. Ayan. And, yeah, tapos... Ayan, tapos ko na, na-cluttered ko na lahat ng eggs, tsaka naitago ko na yung Easter bag nila kung saan nila i-hunt. So, yeah, balik na ako ulit sa kwarto ni Holly para magkunwaring tulog ulit. So, see you guys later. Hindi ko na sila. Bring your bag, Papa. Bring your bag.
Oh.
Can you say
Happy Easter. Honey, can I?
here, Papa? Help
Honey,
me.
put yours on. Put yours.
Here, put it here. Put it here. Oh, hold. Hold this, Papa.
It's
Okay.
Holly ate the carrots and my ate all the milk. Holly,
Yes.
Father Christmas.
That's not Father Christmas, Barney. Yes. Where's Holly? Go pick Holly.
Holly, Mom.
Hold Holly. Hold Holly. Okay. Zach.
Yeah, give me.
Help Holly. Okay. Help Holly. Go, put Holly. Pick all the chocolate, Papa. Go. Come on, Papa. Come on, Papa.
Yo.
Here, Kuya.
What's over there? Get some, Holly. Get some for your basket.
Yes, go. Hurry up. Go. Yes, go. Hurry up. Go. Go. Pick more.
Holly, go and get them. Big Easter eggs.
Yay.
Holly! Whoa, this is so big a fit. Where's yours, Holly? There might be some for Holly.
Find it for Holly.
Big one.
I don't know. Here, you have.
She has a big one. Yay, you have a big one.
Yeah, there's a lot, so. Holly, pick all this, Papa.
What? You got me a big one for me? Oh, one big one. I love big. Ah, Holly! Holly, get yours! That's yours! Get yours! It's yours, Holly. Here's your bag. Here's your bag. Honey has a big bag.
Oh, lucky,
Holly.
Holly. Oh, pick all that, Holly.
That's for you. Put them in. Man,
Put
look
them
how
in.
many
Put them
stuff
in,
I
Holly.
have. Man, look how many stuff I have. Get your. Man, look.
Wow. Wow, you got a lot. Pick all the eggs, Papa. Pick all your eggs. Nahanap na ni Holly yung Easter bag niya. Oh. Okay, go. Go, Papa. Go. Pick all your eggs. Grab your eggs.
Wait. Look.
What's that? See, ang dami, no? Ang dami. Okay, get
Where's mine? This is for me and Zach. No, I needed that one. Is these mine? Socks.
Wow.
Let them quit. Sorted. Mom,
Yes.
Ford for me. Wow.
Okay.
Zach. Yep. Some socks.
Wow.
Some socks. Spider-Man! Entry Easter Bunny. Spider-Man!
Yeah.
Spider-Man! Entry Easter Bunny. Spider-Man!
Oh, get the baba. It's your bag, baba. Yeah.
I didn't pay.
Yeah. What's that? Dad. Go see Daddy. Give it to Holly. Go, Holly.
What is
Go.
that? That's a cold baba. You get cold. Okay, go, Baba, get these.
Give him, Baba.
Look ahead, look.
Look here, Baba. Here, Baba. Save that for Holly. Go there. Oh, yeah. Save that for Holly. Give that to Holly. Holly, go, Holly.
Get that. Mine. Hey, you're stealing a whole lot.
Come on.
So I keep the bodies. Do you have it or not? Give me that one.
Wait. Okay,
I
Holly.
found one.
Holly. Look at Mommy. Hi, Holly. Look at Mommy. Hi. Hi, Holly. Okay, come on. Come on, find more eggs.
Go.
In the backyard.
Take Holly with you.
Take Holly with you.
Holly,
Don't
come
leave Holly.
on.
Come on, hold Holly. Hold Holly. Come on, hurry up.
It's alright.
Holly.
Easter egg!
Holly, go, Holly. Come here. That's for Holly. Cheers, Holly. Holly, get this one. This is for you, Holly. This is for you. Yeah. Okay, Baba.
Easter is fun.
Here, get that one, Baba.
Chocolates.
Baba. Have Holly.
Mommy, this is... Holly, you found one! Put in your bag! Put in your bag! No!
Yeah, put in your bag. Put in
There
your bag,
might be
Baba.
some more.
Put here. Put it here.
No!
Put it here. Put it here,
Guys,
Baba.
give me some!
Put it here.
Give me some!
Put it in your bag, Baba. Okay, put that one here. Oh, put that one here. Put it on, Baba. Wow. Dad. Put in your bag. Put in your bag, Baba. Put it here. Put it here. Yeah, put it there.
No.
Okay. Get your bags. Okay. Get your Easter bag. Here, here. Come on.
Mom, I don't hate the stuff!
Huh?
I don't hate the stuff!
You what?
I don't hate the stuff! I
Yeah.
know a lot of stuff. Look, everything.
So what you gonna?
A bucket!
What you gonna do?
I knew it. This was mine down the end. Didn't even see my name on it. I just went straight. Mom, I went straight down the end and I knew it. I did not even check a name.
Okay, what you gonna say to Easter Bunny?
Thank you. Thank you. my feet are dirty.
So just wipe your feet. Wow! Wow! Okay, bring your bag, Papa. Get inside.
Is that clay?
Oh, not yet.
Papa, you got a lot of stuff. Holly, that's this. Holly and marshmallows.
Wow, because she's a baby.
She had the baby. I got one when I was little when I was five. You did the baby, Holly. You did the this. Baby.
Baby. Okay, come on.
Holly said this is for babies.
Babies. Okay,
She's
come on,
looking
Papa.
for more.
Let's go inside, Papa. Holly, hi. Look, hi. Look at mommy. Look at mama.
Easter.
Again.
Happy Easter.
Again, Easter.
Happy Easter.
Let's go. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Easter.
Good girl, Mama. Tapos na. Tapos na yung egg hunting nila. Okay.
Let's go to your bedroom.
Oh, bring this, Holly. That's yours.
Mom and Mia.
Huh?
I'm gonna open my eyes.
Show me what you got, boys.
I got a big fish. Mom,
Wow.
I got spider.
Hey, boys, show mommy.
I got M&M.
Wow.
M&M ice cream, I think.
Is it? What you
It's
got,
a-
Holly? Oh, fix that for Holly, please.
Mom, look what I got.
What's that?
Spider-Man. I got new
Wow.
socks.
You got new socks. Good boy.
We
Wow.
got new socks.
Wow. How about you, Holly? What you got?
Mom, I got Hot Wheels.
Oh, wow. You got a racing car.
It's
Pajamas.
Hot Wheels.
Oh, Hot Wheels. Okay. How about Holly? Help Holly. Help Holly what she got.
Holly, you got? Holly got marshmallows.
Marshmallows, Holly.
You got,
Holly, look what you
Hey,
got.
Mom, you got rainbow clothes.
Yeah, you got rainbow sleeping wear, Holly.
Look.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's alright. You sharing
No,
is what?
so you got the Holly's owl.
Yes. Look at Holly. Look what you got, Baba.
Holly, look what you got. Hey, stop stealing my chocolate. Hey, stop stealing. Holly, what is that? Thank you.
Thank
Mom, I
Thank
have a
you.
bigger Easter egg.
So-
Thank you, Easter Bunny.
Holly, what you gonna say? Ta.
Mom, she's opening.
It's alright.
Mom, I
Just
have a
one
big,
for-
I have a bigger Easter egg. Me too, look. My what? Look what I got. Chocolate. My dad's favorite.
Is that Dad's favorite? Favorite is that?
yours? And me. See?
Oh,
He likes it.
look at Holly.
Mine.
It? Okay. Happy Easter.
Have one
Say
more.
Happy Easter. Yes, you can have one
I
to.
want
Oh, she's
I want
sharing it
this.
with you.
Mom, I want this.
That's for later, Queen. You got lots there to
Please,
open.
please.
That's for later.
Hmm?
If you want.
Yes.
But don't eat all, just a little bit because you're gonna have
Mommy,
quick
how
breakfast. Wow.
It's Zach, it's like this.
It's milk chocolate, white chocolate.
I like it. I love these chocolates.
Where's yours, Holly? That's yours.
Yours here, Bob. Yours, Holly. Holly, there's yours. Where's that big one, Holly? Watch it. Holly, look. Holly's bunny. She's a bunny. Mommy's a bunny. Mom.
Yes.
Holly's bunny is nearly as tall as mine.
Yeah.
I am.
Oh, she wants to bite.
It's hard to bite. It's
Is it
hard
yum
to
yum?
bite for me.
It's alright.
It's
Pick
hard
it up,
to
Baba.
bite for me.
Oh, it's broken.
Open here, Bob. Open here.
Wow. Be careful. Okay, bite. Bite, Baba.
Like this. Yeah. Look like a poodle. And then
Nom, nom.
Mommy, open it.
Okay, Kuya Sakwa, bite. Okay, bite, Holly.
Bye.
Bite daw, Kuya.
There's something in there.
I know. Oh. Oh, that's it. Oy, boys, that's it. No, let Holly have it, please. Zachary, TJ, let Holly find out.
She's not too big then. Nothing.
Oh, you have to pick all those, Kuya. How is it, Baba? Say, sarap. What's that?
Baba.
Papa.
Want me to bite?
Oh, you want to bite daw, Kuya Zach? See, she's sharing with you guys. Oh, that's too much, Kuya Zach. Grabe ka naman. That's enough, Kuya. Kuya, that's enough.
Holly, get your toy out.
Just,
Look at that.
what's in there, Baba? Tip it out, Holly.
Tip it, Holly, like this.
Oh, what's that?
Dad, just bite it one more time, it'll come out.
What's in there, Zach?
What's in there? Let me open.
Holly, look what you got, Baba.
Huh?
Look what you got. You got toy. You have to press that.
See?
Nope. Let Kuya do it. Oh, what's that, Holly? That's not good for Holly.
I know. What is it?
Okay, Holly.
Yeah.
Holly, eat your chocolate, Baba. Where's your chocolate?
You have to leave it in here. Wait till she's 2.
Mm-hmm. Good boy,
Oh,
Kuya.
play.
Yeah.
You do it too. I just leave it in there.
Are you happy, boys?
Yeah. Mama will just leave it in there so she doesn't get it.
Wow.
Good job. Kids
Thank-
are happy. Hey,
Thank
Baba.
you. Okay, guys. Happy Easter.
We see you back the Easter time, and Christmas and Halloween.
Okay, guys. Matutulog ulit ako kasi alam niyo nang wala akong tulog. Pero ang saya ko kasi ang saya-saya ng mga kids. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Happy Easter. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. See ya. Say
See ya.
Say Happy Easter. Sa come here.
Say happy Easter.
Say Happy Easter.
Bye. Happy Easter time.
Are you happy?
Happy Easter. Yes.
Yes. Bye. Okay, see ya. Bye, guys. Ayan, nagkakagulo na sila. Oh. Yung toaster, hindi kompleto ang Easter kung wala kang...
Hot cross buns.
Ayan, Kuya.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Zach,
Zach.
do you have something?
Okay, go eat now. Breakfast
I'm
na
having.
yan.
Mommy, you can have 2.
Yeah.